What is going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel. You're coming today with a DePin update, guys. So unfortunately, I was super busy the past month. I was away during the time that we normally record these videos, and then on top of that, I was gone the month before that as well at the same time that we needed to record these videos. So I did not put out a update video for August or September. That's my bad. So here are our earnings for the month of August and September across all of our DePin devices. Now, a few of these actually are changing up a little bit. I will most likely change up the Blueberry ring as it's been ordered and still haven't gotten it yet. So I've reached out to them. Don't know when it's coming. Yeah. Anyway, that's that. But our Uprock is coming up now, as well as Chirp is actually going live testnet here coming up soon, from what I'm understanding. So our Chirp Blackbird should start getting rewards. Not to mention the airdrop coming from all of our from the grass points that we've accumulated. Now, the amount of points that we have accumulated is not the amount of grass tokens that we will get. So if you think you're getting a 1-for-1, you are mistaken, especially with it being priced at like a penny on pre-market. We would only wish, right? But nonetheless, in the month of August, we ended up getting 145 IoT, as well as about 20k mobile across both devices. Now, mainly this being because in the month of August, we had actually gotten 2 golden eggs. So that was an equivalent to 5,000 on the mobile plan, and then I had gotten an extra 10,000 on the indoor helium hotspot, which is why I have like 20k that I did last month here, right? It was 3 total. 2 and 1. But I didn't get one of the 10,000s on my mobile indoor hotspot, so that math is actually correct. But across that, we got about 42,000 mobile tokens across the 2 devices that month, as well as we've got about 87 demo tokens, 0 Uprock tokens. For whatever reason, I did not do well that month. Yeah, and then grass points, 142,000. Then we rounded up on September. We got 135 IoT, as well as 17,000 mobile on the indoor hotspot, and then 15,000 on the mobile plan. And then we got 75 demo on across both devices, which we're actually upgrading our Macron device to another Auto Pi. So we're going to go ahead and do that upgrade and start earning more rewards, mainly because our Macron device is not earning any more HNT. It was for a while, but now it's not. We should actually see it on this next month in October. The IoT is going to be drastically shorter, like probably a fraction, if not a quarter, of what our earnings have been, because I'm not hitting any beacons. Any other HNT device, I'm assuming, is just too far out of my range, and I'm no longer hitting beacons. So on top of that, if I'm not hitting any beacons, I'm not passing any information. So our Macron device is useless for earning and offloading data, which I think may be affecting like my rewards for demo. Granted, there are other helium hotspots that the demo device does drive past, so it is offloading some data, but I think that is affecting some of our earnings personally. I don't know if that's 100% true, but our rewards were going down and they shouldn't go down unless we're not reporting like our data. So if my device is down, then, well, you know. But yeah, we're upgrading the demo device. We're going to do 2 AutoPies instead of an AutoPie and a Macron. So our rewards will almost double. But that being said, we still are getting them through our boy Suburban Crypto. So we do share the rewards for those. And I don't have to pay for the devices. So the upgrade for me was free. And I get to earn some more goodies. Isn't that extra goody, right? But nonetheless, those were our rewards that we did get over the last 2 months. I am currently looking at another couple devices to add into this list. Actually, I think by the time you're getting this is actually live for you to be watching, I think the Wingbits device is now live, and yeah, I think there's like $100 off coupon, so do watch for that. And yeah, pretty cool stuff. So those are DePin rewards. I hope you all stay friggin' savage, guys. So rock on, peace out. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Much love, and well, stay deep and crazy. Peace.